Pakistan is back on the global stage with a bold pitch to the United States. Advisors to Pakistani Army Chief Field Marshal Asim Munir have reportedly approached US officials with a plan to build and run a port on the Arabian Sea, according to the Financial Times. The target? Pasni, a strategic port town in Gwadar district, Balochistan, bordering both Afghanistan and Iran. The blueprint isn't about military footholds. The plan explicitly excludes the use of the port for US bases. Instead, it's a move aimed at luring development finance, with American investors potentially constructing a terminal that could unlock Pakistan's critical mineral reserves in the western provinces. The timing of this approach is noteworthy. It comes ahead of a high-profile meeting between Munir, Pakistan's Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif, and US President Donald Trump at the White House in September. During that meeting, Sharif reportedly pitched US companies to invest across agriculture, technology, mining, and energy sectors, essentially opening the door to deep economic engagement. The proposed port is envisioned as more than just a harbour. The plan includes a rail network connecting Pasni to mineral-rich regions of western Pakistan, signalling a strategic push to integrate infrastructure with resource development. If realized, it could represent a major win for Pakistan in attracting foreign investment, especially in sectors that have historically struggled to secure funding. While the proposal has made headlines, official confirmation remains elusive. Reuters could not immediately verify the report, and neither the US State Department, the White House, nor Pakistan's Ministry of Foreign Affairs have responded. The Pakistani army also remains tight-lipped. Yet the narrative is clear. Pakistan is aggressively looking to pivot economically, offering US investors a foothold in a region rich in minerals and strategic potential. Pasni could become a new gateway for US-Pakistan economic cooperation, provided the right investment and development frameworks fall into place. This is not just about a port. It's about signaling a strategic recalibration. Pakistan wants development, investment, and global partnerships, but on terms that stay clear of military entanglements. Whether the US bites remains to be seen, but the offer itself underscores Islamabad's readiness to think big, act fast, and court foreign capital. In short, Pasni could be Pakistan's next big play on the Arabian Sea, and the world is watching. With Rishika Aradhya, Bureau Report, India Today Global.